Hey, it's Lisa DeBoer from Pedi-Ed-Trics, and on this video, we're going to talk about our newest product, Big People in Seconds. It is going to be available as of June 1st, 2025, and the reason that we are including big people in our pediatric scenarios is, well, they take care of the little people and might also need medical help themselves. So we decided that since we've had so many of you ask for additional adult patients in our disasters in seconds and our scenarios in seconds, well, we decided let's just go ahead and do this. And so they're going to be available. Basically, you have adult patients, you're going to have 10 of them in its own bag, its own carrying case, that are representative of all different ethnicities, all different ages of patients, everything from elderly patients. This one is, of course, in EMS. This is the one we most commonly see, somebody like grabbing the chest. So this gives you a chance to actually create your own scenarios for these particular patients, because we're a pediatric company. You're going to take care of the adult stuff. We just got you covered with the patients. All of our moulage absolutely works on any of the patients. So if you wanted to put any kind of an injury on a patient, you certainly can do that and take it off, put it back on your backing sheets. Again, whether you have disasters in seconds or scenarios in seconds, you're going to have moulage. It's all removable. You can put it on the patient. Just remember, don't leave it on there overnight or for an extended period of time. Keep it always on your backing sheets. And then also what we're going to be giving you are your own downloadable blank forms that you will have a picture of every single patient that you will be able to write up your own scenarios with. And we're going to give you the ones for disasters as well. So that way, whether you have scenarios in seconds and you need to write out a whole scenario, or you have disasters in seconds and you want that triage information, we're going to go ahead and give that to you. It'll be in a downloadable form with a PDF that will be in the new bag, Big People in Seconds. Also, as a reminder, if you want to do anything to make these guys sit up or stand up, be sure to get alien tape. We don't work for this company, but this is what works on our Manny Kids and our Mega Manny Kids. So be sure to get alien tape. It's on Amazon. It is a pressure sensitive tape, so whenever you use it, you have to press in order to get it to activate. Otherwise, he's not standing up, he's falling down. So that is a really quick summary of this new product, Big People in Seconds. We hope that it helps you with your creation of scenarios for your big people. And we'll see you next time. Thanks so much for being here and for helping with our mission to save not just the little people, but the big people too. See ya.